I don't wanna dead no beat. I don't wanna sort it out. I don't wanna hear no words. I don't wanna talk it out.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kiitana here. And I'm back again. Oh, did you miss me? Did you miss me? No, you guys, I'm back. I've got a bunch of videos coming at you. The first one is this one that you're watching right now. So don't click off. Stay. Subscribe. I'm gonna do a quick little get ready with me. I'm gonna show you how to do this look. I'm gonna show you a day look and the night look. So I'm gonna switch up a few things. Then I'm gonna head out. Both of these outfits are from Modcloth. I'm gonna leave a link to everything down below. I'm working with them for this video, and you guys know that they are all about body positivity and, you know, inclusivity, and it's just such a great company. So make sure you check them out. There's a hashtag Say It Louder campaign that you should definitely join. It's just talking about being empowered and being an empowered woman and what that means to you. And I just love everything it stands for. So make sure you check it out. And if you like this video, if you like get ready with me's and outfit videos and stuff, make sure you give it a... Can I talk? I forgot how to do this. Okay, if you like outfit videos and get ready with me's and makeup videos, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that I know. Otherwise, how will I know? Eh? And make sure you comment down below which look you prefer. If you like the night look, you know, sultry. Or if you like the day look, just like casual. Okay, let's get into the makeup and then the outfits.
Why me? Man, I thought I was up, but I'm hitting the bottom. It's hard to be Kunta when picking the cotton. It's hard to be choosy with limited options. So if I get bougie, laughing at pain, I'm laughing at pain. I laugh at it all, I'm laughing again. My back's on the wall, back at it again. I had to go borrow, cash money again. Why? My rent doing less than 24 hours. I'm still short a couple $100 more. Tony hit me up like good morning, but ain't nothing good about cold showers. Ain't nothing good about no power. Life gave lemons that's so sour. My car been chillin' on E, low key. Man, ain't nothing good about no gallons.
I just pray for better days. I just pray for that. Working hard for better pay. Working hard for that. I just pray for better days. I just pray for that. Working hard for better pay. I just pray for better days.
Alright, so I'm ready to take on the world. So comment down below what you think of my everyday makeup look. You know, something very simple, very simple to achieve, you know. Alright, so this is outfit number one. It's a very bright day look. If you know me in any way, shape, or form, you know I love mustard. So this dress, I love the pattern. It is so cute. And then I'm also wearing these shoes with it. You know, at first I was wearing sandals, but I just felt like it didn't really do the dress justice in any way. So these shoes, and I've got these earrings, which are magnificent. Like, come on, do you see that? Like, what? And then I'm also wearing this bag. You know, day look. Talk about it. So I'm heading to Atlantic Station to meet up with Hadiza. We're just gonna, are we grabbing lunch? I already ate. Well, either way, I'm about to meet up with her. We're just gonna do a few shoots and chill and talk. I haven't seen her in ages. So yeah, I'm excited.
I just pray for better days. I just pray for that. Working hard for better pay. Working hard for that. I just pray for better days. I just pray for that. Working hard for better pay. I just pray for better days.
Dante, Keo, and Jamal pass. Happiness drop when the man go. Still trying to make it in this thing called life. Can't get chopped in the bundle. Memories, I hold on it. When I got a problem, I prolong it. So wrong, but I gotta go on track from scratch and rap with my soul on it. Never could pass up a flow. Even when I used to talk like this. Nowadays I just laugh at it though, huh? It was so many African jokes. Man, I'm so far gone with room for improvement. Yeah, I got the hunger, so I want it right now. Niggas trying to grind, but still can't ollie. But I'm about to rumble in the jungle right now. Cops came back in my life. At first I was so damn angry, but my brother never seen his dad since birth. I thought about that and it changed me. Man, I lost touch with my close friends. We was close then, couldn't anticipate this later on. Some behind bars, others in the grave, while I'm in the studio with blessing making songs. Why?
I just pray for better days, I just pray for that. Working hard for better pay, working hard for that. I just pray for better days, I just pray for that. Working hard for better pay, I just pray for better days.
No, anyway, so this is Hadiza. She just helped me shoot.
Hey guys.
And we just did a little something. So if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And yeah, make sure you let me know which outlook was your favorite, day or night. Just want to do a little something fun for you guys. Why are you looking at me like that? I'm so done with her. Why are you looking like that? Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me like that? Why?
You're such a natural.
Is that why? I swear, I'm gonna zoom into your face. You were just like this.
No.
That's exactly what you did to me.
I look at you like, did you see the brows? Like,
alright. So that's it, guys. I think I already said bye, but I'm saying bye again. So bye again. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And make sure you check out Modcloth, like I mentioned. You guys know that I love them and they're great. And yeah, if you made it this far, thank you. Love you so much. Stay tuned. Lots of new video and content coming soon. Don't worry, things are happening, okay?